2024 Acura RDX Top Gear Review. The Acura RDX 2024 is a luxury compact SUV with an extensive list of standard comfort and safety equipment, not to mention a price tag that is cheaper than many of its competitors. The Acura RDX 2024 has a lower fuel economy rating than many of its rivals. We do not anticipate any significant modifications or additions to the RDX model year 2024 because it was introduced to the mid-cycle for the 2022 model year. Keep an eye out for any alterations to new good colors and designs, as well as potentially some minor adjustments to the options pack that is now available. It is asserted that the 2024 Acura RDX will be equipped with upgraded components, such as a revised driver information display, which will collectively help the vehicle attainment of a higher aesthetic level. The remaining trim for the doors and center console is finished in actual metal, and this feature, along with the rest of the advance package, is included in the price. Acura automobiles have always occupied a sort of transitional position between mainstream and luxury automobiles, providing a more upscale driving experience than its Honda counterparts but falling short of the level of technological sophistication attained by a Mercedes-Benz. This is the case even today, even though the third-generation 2024 Acura RDX is primarily recognized as one of the best automobiles produced by the manufacturer. Since the mid-cycle refresh occurred the year prior, we do not foresee any significant changes for 2024. These updates include a redesigned external appearance, updated interior technology, driver assistance, a quieter cab, and adaptive suspension, among other improvements. 2024 Acura RDX specs and features. Basic information. Model number 2024 Acura RDX. Manufactured by Honda. Made in USA. Available colors custom. Body type SUV. Capacities. Seating capacity 5. Fuel tank capacity 17.1 gal. No. Of doors 5. Engine. Engine type turbocharged. Engine power 272 HP. Torque 280 lb-ft. No. Of cylinders 4. Performance. Maximum speed 120 miles per hour. Acceleration time, 0 to 100 km/h, 6.2 sec. Transmission. Transmission type automatic. Drive type all-wheel drive. Gearbox 10. Dimensions and weight. Length 187.4 inches. Width 74.8 inches. Height 65.7 inches. Wheelbase 108.3 inches. Curb weight 4,080 pounds. Ground clearance 7.9 inches. Fuel. Mileage in city 22 mpg. Mileage on highway 28 mpg. Fuel type premium unleaded, recommended. 2024 Acura RDX top speed. The front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive configuration can be selected for the Acura RDX 2024 model year, depending on the driver's preference. The vehicle is powered by a 272 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine which give 2024 Acura RDX top speed of 120 miles per hour. On our proving ground, it took the a-spec model that was tested 6.2 seconds to reach 100 km per hour, which positions it in the middle of the pack compared to other compact luxury SUVs. The 2024 Acura RDX has competitive EPA fuel economy numbers that are getting closer and closer to the middle of the 20s, and the model with front-wheel drive receives somewhat higher estimates for both the city and the highway than the vehicle with all-wheel drive does. The first one gets 22 miles to the gallon in the city and 28 miles to the gallon on the road regarding fuel economy. When all-wheel drive is selected, these statistics drop by 1 mile per gallon. 2024 Acura RDX interior. The central stack of the Acura RDX 2024 has several controls, a touchpad, and a substantial rotary driving mode selector that is positioned at the front and center of the vehicle. The interior is quite crowded. Although the outstanding build quality of the 2024 Acura RDX interior and the desired standard amenities were praised, the RDX does not have a premium appearance or feel. Compared to the Honda CR-V, the Acura brand delivers a more athletic driving experience. There is no single element that looks or feels cheesy or out of place, and the driving position is elevated and adjustable enough to please SUV lovers and driving fanatics. Pulling a lever located on the outside seats will release the rear row, allowing you to fold it down into an upright position. Alternatively, you may use the secondary locks to drop the backrests from the cargo compartment of the vehicle. With the seats in the 8-up class and the chairs in the folded down position, we could fit 22 handbags. The floating center console of the 2024 RDX also conceals a sizable storage compartment that may be accessed through a pass-through. 2024 Acura RDX price. The base model of the luxury crossover, the Acura RDX 2024, will have a starting price of around $40,000. This pricing is for the RDX with front-wheel drive, adding all-wheel movement, also known as a-spec, adds around $2,000 to the total cost. The RDX, with all of the bells and whistles, will set you back around $51,000. It also has some extra functionalities.